We are the group 12. We are tackle about the theory of justice by John Rawls. The reporters are Stephen John Bolongaita, Judy Pintac, Philip Candiloso. The first slide is John Rawls, born 1921, died 2002. And mo na yung picture. Most influential theory of distributive justice in recent decades. His works are A Theory of Justice in 1971, then Political Liberalism in 1993, and lastly, Justice as Fairness in 2001. Reporter, Stephen John Bolongaita. Life of John Rawls. He is one of the important political philosophers during the 20th century. His main work is A Theory of Justice, published in 1971. He received his academic training at Princeton University, and later part of his career, he became a philosophy professor at Harvard University. So, John Rawls is a political philosopher. So, she gives a statement about the theory of justice. Then, A Theory of Justice. This work has addressed some of the social issues, especially in the name of justice, between the state and the citizens and among citizens. So, ang pasabot ani kailangan na justice in the society. Rawls proposes justice as fairness as an ethical framework. The term fairness refers not to equality but as equity. So, fairness means kung na justice dapat di bias. Dapat ipakita jud ang kamatuoran. The justice of Rawls embraces not only sociological dimension but includes political and socio-economic as well. Ang pasabot na John Rawls focuses not only psychological dimension but includes political and socio-economic as well. So, si John Rawls nag-focus siya sa unsa joy nahitabo sa society. The two principles are as followed. Mo na duha ka principle na magantod sa theory of justice. First, each person is to have an equal right to the most incentive scheme of equal basic liberties compatible with a similar scheme of liberties for others. Social and economic inequalities are to be arranged so that they are both reasonable, expected to be everyone advantage, and attached to position and offices open all. So ang pasabot ana dapat each person, ako ug ikaw, have a equal rights. Mao jud na. Equal basic liberties compatible with a similar scheme of liberties for others. Mo na ang gisunod nato karon. Social and economic inequalities are to be arranged so that they are both reasonably expected to be everyone advantage. So nay advantages ang paghatag og justice and napod makahatag pud og benepisyo sa society. For example, nay pobre o dato dapat na sila equal right. Then the next slide is fairness in terms of equality and equity. John Rawls acknowledges that there are certain just distributions that are governed by existing principles. So karon ang gobyerno karon nag-refer sila sa existing principles sa una. Katong sa unang pang mga laws ilang gisunod karon. The two principles are principle of equality and principle of difference. Principle of equality, every member of the society should have equal rights and liberties. Dapat equal jud tanan. These rights and liberties refers to political condition of every citizens. So, mo pasabot dapat equal ta sa political condition in the society. principle of difference. Money ang cannot be just distribution in the society in terms of socio-economic goods because of unequal socio-economic status among members of the society. Nadyo'y may tabo na diferensya sa panghitabo sa society in terms of socio-economic goods. Na nahitabo na tungod sa unequal socio-economic status mo nang principal difference. The next reporter is Judy Pintak.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. My name is Judy Pintak, and I am the second reporter of this report. And my topic is all about the nature of theory, distributive justice, and egalitarian distributive justice. Next. First, the nature of theory. So let's begin with the nature of theory, and I just want to emphasize the only most important information under this topic. As we know that the philosophy of general is more concerned on the theory of justice and attempts to explain why clear inequalities are unjust and what a just society really is. So, meaning, ang unjust, or sa Bisaya pa nga nung ang katilingban walay panagsama or dili makatarungan or dili maayo. And what a just society really is, unsa man ang makatarungan or sakto nga katilingban. So, sa makita ninyo nga, sa example kana, just society and unjust society, just society nga nagpakita nga maayo ang ilang katilingban o nakigiusa sila, then unjust society is so nagkahiusa, nagkagubot ba. Then, in common view is that every member treats each other in just way. It means that every person has to be treated equally. Next. Generals has in mind about an ideal and just society where there is justice but in different philosophical nuance. So, ingon ni generals ang just society, ang justice sa society is naay kanang pasiklasing philosophical nuance. So sa table, naay kang Rawls idea of just society, then naay kang Plato idea of just society. Kang Rawls idea of just society is he understand justice as fairness. So nga sa ato pa ang hustisya dili para sa mga gipiling tao kundi para sa tanang katawhan sa lumulupyo sa katilingban. Then kang Plato idea of just society, justice as every member of the society, the philosopher king, the military, and the laborers acts harmoniously according to assigned roles. So kang Plato na ay kanang gibahin sa matag katulo ang iyang kuan idea nga ang matag membro sa maong katilingban kinahanglan mo lihok sa ilang matag role in order to create a just society. So ilang idea nga kang nagpakita nga lahi gyud kang Plato is different nga ang justice kay naa man hierarchy or level of justice. So it is clear nga lahi jud sila kanang idea. Kang ang gusto magud ni Rawls dapat kay patas ang tanan when it comes to justice para na ay just society. So Rawls idea, justice for him is the first virtue of social institution. So moingitag social institution na ay mga social order, mga rules. Rules are there for us to obey. Next. So naay mga tagsa-tagsang mga rules. So moingitag social institution na social order. Then sa pagbuhat og kanang social order, mga rules nga na mao ni nga idea ni Rawls, gibot niya ang original position o veil of ignorance. Kaning original position is to set up fair procedures so that any principles are agreed to will be just. Then bail of ignorance is it create a just condition where there is no advantage to anyone. Meaning kanang if naa ka sa kanang original position kanang nakadiha nga na position sa original, meaning wala ka kay bawo sa imong kanang status nga dapto ba ka or pobre, bae ba ka or laki, kanang wala ka kay bawo ba ug unsa kay unsay naa nimo nga position. Then kung behind ka sa bill of ignorance, so sa makita niyo sa picture sa bill of ignorance na yung mga taong kasi klasig kuan status. Then if naa ka dana mangutana ka sa imong kaugalingon kung whether a proposed role for distributing benefits and burden is acceptable to you. So, para nimo nga kana nga social order kanang dili sakto para nimo din the social order it cannot be fair and therefore it cannot be just. So, the role must be rejected. Kung para nimo ngato nga dili nimo kanang dili nimo nga dawat to ingato nga classes koan. So if one wants to accept a social order or role that is just mo nay kanang kuan just nanay just ba kung dawat to nimo nga ilang gihatag nga kuan gisit up nga kuan fairness. So mao to yung kanang mamaagi nga giformulate ni rules in order to have just society when it comes to social orders mga laws nga na rules. Then, so distributive justice. So what is distributive justice? Distributive justice is that everyone in the society has to share both the burden and the benefit whatever the society offers. So it means pareho ang tanan ug hustisya nga madawat. Then there are different kinds of distributive justice. First is egalitarian distributive justice, capitalist, socialist distributive justice. So first, egalitarian distributive justice. What is egalitarian distributive justice? Next. Meaning kanang egalitarian distributive justice means just distribution in terms of receiving on equal share, or in simple terms, justice as equality. So sa picture makita man nato nga kana naitulo ka tao din kaning egalitarian dili ra ni siya ingon nga justice ay dili ra ni siya ingon nga equality but na justice, meaning na equality of fairness ba na fairness. So sa makita nato naitaw nga mas nginahanglan pa og tabang dapat suportahan o katong wa nang hinanglan ang iyang imbis ihatag niya or para niya ihatag na lang sa mas nanghinanglan kay ana sa picture na makakita matong habog so katong naymubo imbis para sa habog ihatag na lang sa mubo aron makakita. Two kinds of egalitarian distributive justice. First is political and the second is economic egalitarianism. So political egalitarianism where legal rights of every citizens are equal. Kanang meaning ang tanan have equal rights in terms of political decision sa pagpili sa kandidato sa matag election or one pang political matters. The second one is the economic egalitarianism where the distribution of socio-economic goods and economic resources are equally observed. So sa economic kanang equal na sila kanang distribution sa kanang sama sa inyong lugar nga equal mo mogamit sa inyong resources, equal mo mogamit nga para sa katawhan nga public nga na then og may mga ayuda para equal mo nga madawat, equal og mga nga nang ipanghatag sa inyong kan ba sa inyong kaltiling ban. Then maura dito sa ako ang last topic. That's all. And thank you.
So, the next reporter is Philip Candelaso.
So good day everyone. So by the way, I am Philip Candeloso and I will report the continuation of the kind distribution distributive justice. So first, the second one is the capitalist distributive justice. So what is capitalist distributive justice? A capitalist one is concerned with just distribution in terms of receiving one share according to how much one contribute to its overall success of the goals. So the word is very clear and makita nato nga naadyoy justice or fairness in this kind of distribution. So the term or the word proportion is very useful here because imagine if uh, the man or the person work hard, then he will gain or he will earn lot of money. For example, if uh, na isa ka tawo for example magtanom og basak, no, if magpugi siya og daghan og iyang itanom, therefore daghan pud iyang maani. So if gamay iyang kung magtinapos siya, kung gamay ra ang iyang itanom, gamay ra pud iyang maani. So naay justice ba kay sa iya ra po ng paghalihon nga gabase. So one receive more if one contributes more. So if one contribute less, then one receive less too because iya man ang kagustuhan and nga na ang capitalist distributive justice gi-explain kung unsa na nga siya pagka justice or fair. So next, so an example of capitalist distributive justice is like a working student in library receive his salary 20 pesos per hour. If he decide to be on duty for 4 hours, he receive 80 pesos. So mo na siya ang example sa capitalist nga if kung daghan ang iyang ihatag nga kung contribute, daghan pod ang iyang receive. Can you imagine if kung ang isa ka person is naghago ba, for example nga ni naghago siya og as a working student, nagkuan siya og nag-decide siya og mo duty og 4 hours pero ang iyang sweldo or iyang madawat is kanang murag dili unjust ba, so arang ka unfair kadyo. So mo ni siya ang capitalist distributive justice pag define. So next, so the third one is the socialist distributive justice. So a socialist one is concerned with a just distribution in terms of one's needs. So if one has greater need, then one has a greater share in distribution scheme, like vice versa. So ganiha murag proportion to siya. Kung dako ang iyang ikuan, dako ang iyang i-contribute, dako pod siya ang iyang kon. If are is gamay ra ang iyang kuan. For example, dani sa picture. So makita na to ang justice ngani nga gingani pag distribute, no, even gamay ra ang iyang for example sa usa ka tawo kung dato na siya, so sa government maghatag og mga ayuda so unahon gyud tong mga katong mga pobre kay mas kailangan man gyud nila kaysa katong mga dato, daw naay ilaha pero dili pudingon dili pareha sa mas dako pa gyud ang mas pobre kay mas kailangan man gyud nila. So nga na ang socialist distributive justice. This view of distributive justice would seek to level of playing field of every member of society where all of them have inequalities. So every person has these inequalities, and these inequalities refer to those inequalities in our initial endowment in life. For example, one has natural talent of singing than others do not have. One has being intelligent than others do not have. One is born into a affluent family or a wealthy family, or has a big hacienda, or has all the latest gadget, and others do not have. Consequently, from the natural inequalities, uh, this uh, this natural inequality social justice would emphasize that kind of work based on natural talent. So, dani makuan ang mga inequalities nato. So, if one has the talent of singing, one has to be employed as a singer. So, next as an example, if one has a talent for singing, one has to be employed as a singer. So, if one also can dance, then one will be employed as a dancer. So, ngani pag uh, ngani ang socialist distributive justice where mabahin ba? Mabahin di na just kay for example, if naay isa ka person nga kamao mo kanta, kamao mo sayaw, kamao mo unsa pang mga abilities skills nga iyang nibaw-an. So if naabot sa mga kuan, iya haratanan murag na focus ra ang atensyon niya na tanan ba. For example, if natay mga inequalities, so mabahin. So ang kamao mo si mo kanta, ihar. So ang kamao mo dance, ihar. So daghang tao ang naka-benefit. So mo na siya according to this mindset, this kind of work have from one's talent fulfilling and humanizing. According to Karl Marx, this mindset is part of the idea from each according to abilities to each according to his needs. So next we will tackle about the state and citizen responsibilities to each other, the principle of taxation and inclusive growth. So responsibilities of state and citizen. So unsa ang mga responsibility di ay sa state to citizen and citizen to state. Siguro as a citizen no, kita murag daghan pud ta og mga responsibilities or mga responsibilities nato sa atong gobyerno or sa atong state para molambo ni. So naay batas no. So it's stated here in 1987 Constitution Article 10 Local Government Section 5 that each local government unit shall have the power to create its own source of revenues and levy taxes, fees, and charges subject to such guidelines and limitation as the progress may provide consistent with the basic policies of local autonomy. Such taxes, fees, and charges shall accrue exclusively to the local government. So as a citizen, so dapat mo sunod ta sa mga balaod sa government. So if we need to pay tax or we need to pay fees sa government, then mobayad ta especially sa mga dagkong mga institution, no, dagkong mga businesses. So kay dagko pa na sila tax, so very important nga mohatag sila tax kay dako po naghimuan sa ato ang lungsod, no. For example, first because ang state is nagkuan ra siya, murag gasalig ra siya ba sa citizen, murag gasalig ra siya sa citizen sa pundo. So therefore, if the citizen won't give a fund or money or taxes, therefore the state will not raise up, or murag dili mo mulambo ba, murag dili mo upgrade. It is because why fund? So mabitaw na gingon dari nga the government unit shall have a power to create its own source of revenue and to levy taxes. So dapat mo hatag ta og mga taxes para sa kalambuan sa atong lungsod or sa atong country. So next, the power and importance of taxation. So unsa day ka importante ang taxation? So ang paghatag og tax is very important na sa state, no. It is because nagatabang na sa mga kuan, mga nakatabang na paglambo sa ato ang lungsod or sa atong country. Tax collected consider public money to be used for public needs such as constructions and maintenance of road, healthcare, education, security, promotion of science, commerce, industry, and other for the welfare of general public. So, for example, sa una, kuanta kanang sa atohang lugar is rough road, then sa nagkaanam na og develop ang ato ang country, ni saka na pud nahimo nang na semento na or na highway na ang ato ang dalan. It is because of the use of taxation. So diha na napunta ang, or I mean diha na napunta ang mga kwarta sa atoa. So naka-benefits gyapon ta sa atong gihatag. So sa mga education, so katong mga free bitaw sa government, so naay libre nga pa eskwela, so sila ang nag-support diha. So kwarta gyapon na sa so kwarta nato, so kwarta gyapon na sa tibuok nasod. So na murag na part gihapon ta sa atong pagbayad ba, murag it's like kanang nakita nato ang atong gibayad. So for example, healthcare, so mga OES kana healthcare, for example nowadays the pandemic COVID-19, so so ang pondo diha gikan po na sa kuan na po nay share sa atong gipangbayad. So mga importante kayo ang importante kayo ta nga mohatag sa citizen. So therefore, state and citizen should have mutual cooperation. So kining duha, state and citizen or kita, dapat natay dapat responsible ta sa matag usa, be very cooperative ta. If naay mga rules, if naay mga bayranon, dapat mo hatag ta, and kay ang government sad mulambo and makabenefit po ta dito. So I think I hope nga nasabtan po ninyo, and I think Dani Ramikotob, and I hope you have a good day and God bless.